Hi, my name is Mohammed, and today we are in Taksim 360 project, a sophisticated architectural historical masterpiece right in the heart of Istanbul in Taksim area. Four important aspects should be considered regarding this important project: the location, the lifestyle, the history, and the investment aspect. Let's explore the project together and let me know what you think. Our project contributes to the urban transformation of its vital area and the surrounding prestigious areas like Nişantaşı and Istiklal Street, not to mention the fact that it's very close to monuments and attractions in the city. The distinctive location of our project increases its vitality and classiness. Taksim 360 project was built on the foundation of historical buildings, along with preserving the cultural and architectural value of construction carefully and accurately. Our project forms part of 9 historical buildings that has been restored and represented in the best modern ways, and it includes 918 residential units and a shopping street here that will serve the social life of the project. Our project forms part of 9 historical buildings that has been restored and represented in the best modern way, and it includes 918 residential units and a shopping street here that will serve the social life of the project. And here is a sample 1+1 apartment with an area of 88 square meters and net area of 58 square meters. If you want to talk about the quality of this project in terms of this door or the other materials used are of a high quality, and this will be noted in the contract right when you sign the contract of this apartment. And here is an American open kitchen of this apartment. As you notice, the material and the appliances used in this apartment or in this kitchen is of a high quality. For example, the appliances, the stove here, the oven, the dishwasher are all of Siemens brand, a very known German brand. Everything will be delivered except this fridge. And here we can notice that there is a beautifully hidden hood here. Also, we have a nice mechanism that can be useful. So the materials and the kitchen, the ceramic here, all are nice. And here in the salon, the area of this salon is like 45 square meters with the kitchen. For example, they put here a dining room, a dining area. The furniture, all of this furniture and the decor will not be delivered. It's just for show. It's according to your taste. We have something good here. For example, you can see it. We are here on the main street in Taksim area. You can notice how it's so noisy outside. But once we close it, no more noise. Why? Because the insulation system and the moisture prevention is very good and very important. The finishes and the wallpaper are, as I said, of good quality, but the wallpaper will not be delivered. That's all for the salon and the kitchen. And here we have the bedroom with an area of 22 square meters. The decor used here is very nice and very beautiful. It's like in classic decors that can be related to the history of the place. It reminds you that the historical old palaces, places. You can see that also we have the insulation systems are installed here that prevent noise from outside. And here is the laundry area where you can put your washing machine. But of course, this washing machine will not be delivered with the project. Yeah, you can notice the luxury and the nice materials used. And here we have the bathroom. This nice bathroom with an area of 4 square meters. The materials, the ceramic, the flooring, everything you can feel is like very, very nice. And this nice touch here, they put in the mirror where you can turn it off and on just one touch. I would like to remind you that the air conditioning and the heating is central in this apartment, and the flooring is parquet. And that's all for the sample apartment. In the end, I would like to remind you that the project is appropriate for Turkish citizenship and the legal papers are ready. The available apartments in our project vary from 1+1 up to 3+1. For those interested to invest in the city center, specifically in Taksim, this project is right for you, as you can expect high capital appreciation and high investment returns. For more information and details about our project, you can contact us through the number shown on the screen, or you can visit our website imtilak.net. Thank you for watching our video for today, and see you soon.